There's a guy named Billy Joe Shaver, some of you guys may know. And it's not one of his songs. Over the years I have done some of his songs, but it is a song that I wrote after I met him for the first time. And over the years we got to play several shows, mostly festivals with him. But he was a funny old guy. I know he always had a lot on his mind, but he always did a good job of acting like it was no big deal. This song's called Birds. Where have you been? I've been reading those stories about chasing the wind. Guess I come back with one or two. I've never really quite known what to do. Man, what are you looking for? It worth all you give, so much more. Sometimes the things we seek skew the point. Sometimes the whole damn world seems out of tone, makes me wonder, makes me wonder, till I still freedom while there's still sun. Take the whole world in, I could only leave my worries to the birds of the wind. I know one day there'll be solace. I was lifted again. I'm learning my worries to the birds of the wind. Questions too. Same ones we've been asking you. You just roll on back out of sight. Stealing a weekend like a child every night. Still full of wonder. You still want, you still free while there's still sun. Take the